everybody, today I'm going to be making some homemade laundry soap. So I'm just going to show you what you need first. So I got this bucket at Canadian Tire. I got some borax. I have one Linda soap, some baking soda, and some trisodium phosphate, TSP. So also 5 gallons of water. I'm going to be using distilled water. So I'm going to go ahead and grate this whole soap first. And then when I do that, I'm going to gather everything and then I'm going to be putting it into this bucket. Hi everybody, I am back now. Okay, so I went ahead and grated the soap. I'm just getting my gloves on here. So I have 5 gallons of water inside this bucket. I honestly didn't know if it was going to work or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I have the trisodium phosphate. It's 50. I'm gonna put 60 grams. That equals out to 4 tablespoons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and oops, 4. So it did get a little bit hard. That's why it was hard for it to come up. Okay, so now we need 1/4 cup of baking soda. So I'm just gonna measure it out in this cup. A little bit more. Okay. Then 1/4 cup of borax. All right, I feel like a scientist. Okay, now we're gonna add the soap that I grated. I just use a cheese grater. I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, just gonna put that there. Now I do have an essential oil of lemon here. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 20 drops. No, I'm gonna put 50 drops actually. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, it's coming out really fast. You just eyeball it. You need a lot. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more because last time I didn't put enough and I couldn't even smell it in the clothes. I was debating whether to put lemon or lavender, so I put lemon. So I couldn't find my stick, so I'm just using a stick from a mop, and I'm gonna mix this well. Alright, I'm going to let that set overnight and I'll show you the result when it's all done. Hope that stays these. Yep. Alright, I'm going to throw these gloves in the garden. And I'm going to pop the lid on and really smell that lemon essential oil. So it looks like a runny consistency, but it should thicken up by tomorrow. And I will see you here after. Okay, hi everybody. I have let this soap sit for 2 days, and this is the result. It's become thick and nice. I'm just stirring it with a stick here that I used from an old mop. So yeah, and it smells so good from the essential oil. I put like 50 drops. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Share, like, get it out there. Let people know that they can do this at home. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you on the next video. Take care.